Attention F1 and STEM OPT students from India. What if a federal officer showed up at your work or home unannounced to check your visa compliance? That is what is happening right now. USCIS Fraud Detection and National Security Unit (FDNS) is quietly ramping up surprise site visits, and students are scrambling to prepare. Let's break down what's happening and what it means for you. Let's see what is going on. Reports from immigration attorneys show a sharp increase in these inspections targeting students on OPT and STEM OPT extensions. Officers are visiting registered work addresses, sometimes even homes, to verify school transcripts, job offer letters, and employment verification. Also, recent pay stubs and bank statements, signed and compliant Form I-983 training plans. These visits are unannounced. While no formal USCIS policy change has been announced, federal guidance has long allowed these random checks triggered by complaints, risk signals, or audits. So here's a question: that why this matters for Indian students. For Indian students on OPT or STEM OPT, this is more than paperwork. FDNS is checking that your employment matches your degree field, your I-983 training plan is followed, and your F1 status is maintained. Even small discrepancies like missing pay stub, outdated address, or incomplete I-983 can trigger additional scrutiny. These visits are not just administrative, in fact, they could impact visa compliance and future immigration filings. Immigration attorneys report that tech and consulting sectors are seeing the most visits, as STEM OPT jobs are common there. Students may be interviewed at work or home. Employers may be questioned about their role and their training plan. Officers can request physical documents on the spot. And for Indian students, this is a warning. Keep all your records accurate, up to date, and ready to present at moment's notice. Your legal status depends on strict compliance. So what you can do right now? Firstly, maintain a complete file. Transcripts, pay stubs, job offer letters, I-983 forms. Also keep your work and home addresses updated in SEVIS. Next, ensure that your employment aligns with your field of study. Also, inform your employer about compliance obligations. And most importantly, consult with an immigration lawyer if you notice any gaps or any inconsistencies. So FDNS site visits are reality for students on OPT and STEM OPT. Awareness and preparation can prevent compliance issues and help protect your US status. Comment below, I am ready for FDNS, if your documents are in order. Also, like this video if it helped you understand what to expect from surprise site visits. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on F1, OPT and STEM OPT compliance for Indian students. Thanks for staying tuned to Immigration Talk Show. See you next time.